Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever you might be watching. This file contains two simple macros. Each macro will change the colour of the cell when it's run. The first one is called color 1, which runs that macro, and this one is run by color 2. They're the names I've given the macros. Now each macro is run by a particular keyboard shortcut. This one is run by Control Shift M, and this one is run by Control Shift K. But what I don't want to have to do is to remember the shortcut, because if I can't remember it, then I would have to use the Developer tab to run the macro. So what I'm going to do to make life very easy is to create names for the macros and buttons using those names up in the Quick Access Toolbar. It will make the running of all the macros that you have in your files so much easier. So let's see how it's done. The first thing we're going to do is to right click on the Quick Access Toolbar here. Then we customize the Quick Access Toolbar. From here on in, nothing could be easier, because what we're going to do is to look at the popular commands macros. And here are our two color macros. Color 1, which I'll add to the column on the right, and color 2, which I'll also add. Now what I want to do is to click on color 1 and then modify, and I'll choose this particular symbol and click OK, having shown the display name as color 1. So click OK, and now we do the same with color 2. We modify that one, and I'm going to use this particular symbol here, and it's named color 2. Then again I click OK, and I click OK again, and what I will see now in the Quick Access Toolbar are the two macros. Now what I'll do, I'll test them. I want to put color 1 over here, so all I need to do is click on color 1, and there the macro has been run. Let's run color 2. Nothing could be easier than this, and you can apply that same set of procedures to whatever macros that you have in your files. So it's quick, it's easy, it's foolproof, and if you follow the steps that I've shown you in this particular upload, I know you're going to be more than happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe unless you've already done so. Click the bell to be automatically notified of upcoming uploads. And we also very much like likes and comments. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.